Okay, the last type is data rebars. We have some walls above with the width is 240 mm. So I input 240 here. And rebars will be directly at the center of the strip with this option ticked. For type of starter, we have 4 selections, and I will select U-beam. With the length count from top of the strip is 740 mm. Concrete cover 50 mm for all sides. Spacing is 150 and diameter is 12 mm. Now I click to this button to start ground reinforcement. I decide to write for strip relation in horizontal with the Python part name 1 and in vertical with the Python part name 2. This will be helpful because normally rebars in strip relation in a direction will be the same. So if we need to update the rebars in the Python part, we no need to do it one by one. I will show you later. Okay, let's create with position name 1 for strip relation in horizontal firstly. And remember that I select positioning axis is outside, so I will find and click to this point and this point. Okay, right. Continue to write for others. It's fine. Now let's reopen the tool. Change the position name to 2 and grab Python parts contain reinforcement strip relation in vertical. The same for Python part in vertical. Select start and end point. Right, let's go to 3D plan to check the rebars. Okay, for strip relation in horizontal, we need an offset at their 2 heads. So I will reopen the Python part by double-clicking to it. I input offset here for the starter. And next step, I click this button. This will have to update the rebars in all Python parts with the position name 1. Confirm the message. And that means all Python parts in horizontal will be updated. Okay.